Hello everyone. You're all very welcome to the final of the 3-minute thesis competition, which is always one of the flagship events, one of the highlights of Research Week every year. And we've had a phenomenal program of events on this week, and people behind the scenes have been working, incredibly hard and diligently and to make all of this work. So I'll thank them later personally, but I just want to say, none of this would have been possible without a lot of people in this room and in other areas of the campus who've helped to put all of this together. So for the final here today, I'm going to just introduce the Vice President of Research and Innovation, Professor Kevin Ryan. Kevin is going to just give a short introduction and welcome to you all, and then we'll begin the competition. Just to say, we've 12 competitors. It'll be very fast. They'll come to the stage, they'll introduce themselves, and then we'll run through all of their presentations in succession. At the end of which there'll be a break for about 30 minutes. Then, as the judges decide on their deliberations, and I want to thank the judges, Laura Chalk, Ching Man, and Julianne Stack, who are here today, and to do this very, very responsible and sometimes onerous task, but it's really, really appreciated that they are here to adjudicate. But also outside you will see the 10 final entrants for the pitch of this competition, where our PGRs, or our postgraduate researchers, gave a visual representation of their research along with a 60-word or caption, which I think is emblematic and represents their research. And some of those pictures have been selected as prize winners today. We'll be giving out prizes at the end of the event today. But also, just to say, I just want to thank all the people who contributed to picture this, and also those who were in the faculty heats of the various thesis and 3-minute thesis heats that we had. We ran one for each faculty, and there was great engagement with them all. So I want to thank everyone who didn't make it here today for their contribution also, because having the competition really, really helped to elevate the standard to the level that you'll see it is today. So, Kevin, I'd like to, if you would come up and take over. Thank you very much. So, Kevin Ryan.
Okay, so thanks to everybody who's coming, and particularly thanks to the awardees. I have to say that the Thesis in 3 is probably one of my favourite parts of Research Week, so I'm very much looking forward to hearing the presentations. So I suppose I have a few notes here. So this event is an intrinsic part of Research Week, celebrates the remarkable achievements of the postgraduate research community. It's an international competition that challenges PhD researchers, professional doctorate students, and research master's candidates. And it's to present an engaging summary of their thesis topic and its significance in just 3 minutes. And that's a very difficult thing to do, but I suppose it's a very important skill later in life to be able to do that. And even if you're presenting an idea to somebody, being able to do that in a very clear and coherent manner is important. It represents a true test about intellect and communication skills. So just in terms of the background, over the past couple of months, the top 3 contestants from each of the 4 faculties have earned their place in today's grand final. Our 12 finalists represent the best of UL's doctoral research talent, innovators and problem solvers, whose work has the potential to shape the world. But 3-minute thesis is about more than just research excellence. It's about the power of storytelling, the art of making complex ideas understandable, and the importance of sharing knowledge beyond academic circles. They are vital skills for every researcher, and I commend each of the finalists for rising to this challenge. So our external judging panel then is Dr. Julianne Stack from MIC, Dr. Ching Man from Analog Devices, and Laura Chalk, Marketing and Recruitment Manager in GPS. And they will be assessing the presentations using 2 criteria, which are the comprehension and content, and engagement and communication. And no doubt it's a difficult job, and look, I wish you well with that. The winner of the 3-minute thesis will have the honour of representing UL in the Vitae 3MT competition in July, and the IUA National 3MT final, which is next October. And while also there are cash prizes for the 1st, 2nd and 3rd place. Later this afternoon, we will be announcing the results of our Picture This competition, which invited UL postgraduate researchers to communicate their research through a single image and caption. And this is another wonderful showcase of creativity and clarity in research communication. So to all our finalists in both competitions, congratulations on reaching this stage. You've achieved something exceptional. And finally, thank you for joining us today. Celebrate the passion, curiosity and dedication to define our wonderful graduate research community, our postgraduate research community. And look, that just leaves it to me to let the final begin, and best of luck to everybody.